Easy Ramadan Decor. Today I'm showing you how to make the requested crescent moon decor for Ramadan. Step 1. Cutting the styrofoam. First, you'll need a piece of styrofoam. Get a 20cm diameter plate and trace it on the styrofoam. Then slide the plate and trace half a circle, like this. Tips for cutting. Cut the crescent moon using a hot cutter. The heat will make cutting the styrofoam much easier and will make the cut straight and smooth. You can replace the styrofoam with multiple layers of cardboard. Using a glue gun, glue as many layers as you want until you reach at least a 2cm thickness. You can use sandpaper to scrub the edges, like I'm doing, to remove the excess and get a smooth and better finish. You can also scrub the edges with sandpaper if you use cardboard to get even edges. Step 2. Covering the moon with paper foam. I traced the moon on a piece of foam paper 2 times to cover the front and back of the moon. Then, I measured the thickness of the styrofoam moon so I could cut enough foam paper to cover it. I measured 3 centimeters, so I cut 2 pieces, 3 centimeters in width, without accounting for the length because I will cut the excess at the end. How to use a glue gun on styrofoam. Apply glue on the edge of the styrofoam, then glue the foam paper. Make sure that the wax is not too hot because it will melt the styrofoam. Turn on the glue gun just enough to warm the wax, and it's able to squeeze out without melting the styrofoam. At this stage, the glue will dry quickly, so apply it step by step, like you see me doing in the video. Apply this technique all over until the crescent moon is completely covered. Step 3. Decorating the crescent moon. I already had this thin gold rope, so I glued it on the edges of the moon. But you can use rhinestones, pearls instead. Or you can choose not to add anything since it looks perfect without anything added. Threading the star. I used this star that I previously made in another video. You can go back and check out the tutorial to see how you can make it with foam paper or cardboard. I added a fishing line at the top of the star before gluing it together. Thread the line through a needle, push the needle at the top of the moon, and pull the line up to get the length you want. Make a knot at the top before cutting the line to keep it in place. You can replace the fishing line with a white string. Step 4. Making the base. Get a 15 by 20 centimeter piece of styrofoam and cover it with the same type of paper foam you used for the moon. Make sure the paper foam is 3 centimeters wider than the styrofoam to cover entirely as well as its edges. Use the same I previously showed you to glue the paper foam on the styrofoam using a glue gun. Glue the foam from the top, then from 2 sides, like this. For the remaining 2 sides, cut the corners, then cut out the excess, like this. And finally, glue the foam and you'll get a nice and smooth finish. Cut out the extra foam at the bottom. Decorate the base with the same thin gold rope you used to decorate the moon. I added another one here, and it looks so amazing. Step 5. Gluing the moon on the base. Now glue the moon at the center of the base, like this. This decor is cute, simple, and doesn't take up a lot of time. Let me know what you think in the comments below.